welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have another unboxing video, and well, I'm actually going to be unboxing two boxes because they are both from BzzAgent, so I just decided to film both boxes in the same video. Anyways, here are both of the boxes. One came in this USPS flat box, but I'm not 100% sure if it's from BzzAgent. I'm just guessing it is because I didn't order anything and I got this box and it says that it came from Beauty 21 Cosmetics, so I'm guessing it's BzzAgent. And then the other box came in this small little box right here. See, it says BzzAgent right there. So I'm going to begin with this box right here and then I'll open the other one. So I have my handy dandy blade. I feel like I've been really lucky this month because I've been getting a lot of free stuff and I'm super grateful for that. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside, and it comes with like a letter and it's from BzzAgent. And it just tells me how to review this product. It says, woohoo, your Buzz kit is here, now what? And then it tells me how to review the product. Okay, and the only product in here, it is a product from Roche Posay Daily 50 Sunscreen. Roche Posay Broad Spectrum SPF 50 and Thelios 50 Mineral Daily Tone Correcting Primer. Oh, so it's a primer? Instant Skin Perfecting Tint to diminish visible discoloration. Suitable for sensitive skin. As you guys know, I have sensitive skin, so this is perfect, and this is what it looks like. This is the first time that I will be trying out a like primer or corrector from Roche Posay, so I'm super excited about this. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. So this is what the little bottle looks like. It's really thin, and this one is 1.3 fluid ounces. Helps prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protective measures. Decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. For sunscreen use, apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. So that's cool. I'm excited to try this out. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's definitely tinted. I don't want to squeeze it out because I don't want to waste it. I don't know if you guys could see, it's definitely tinted. Maybe tomorrow I'll try it out. But anyways, I'm super excited that they sent me this. And the formula feels thick because I squeezed it and it was like struggling to get out. So hopefully it's not like crumbly on my face. But we will see. So I'll be testing this out tomorrow. Okay, now onto this box right here. Let's see, what did they send me? Okay, this is cute. It came in this little bag and that's everything that's in the box. And this one is by LA Girl, Love Inspiring Beauty, and it looks like they sent me a mascara, so I'm super excited about that. I think this is going to be the first mascara that I try by LA Girl. I really like the bag, it's super cute. I was supposed to get 3 items from BzzAgent, but I still haven't got the other one, so that's why I just decided to show you these 2 products today. Anyways, it comes with a card and it says Jet Setter Mascara, Lash and Go. You've got places to be. And that's what the card looks like. And in the back it says buildable, smudge proof, lengthen and lift lashes, water and flake resistant. So that's cool. And I did get a mascara in my influencer Vox box, so it kind of sucks because I have to open both mascaras at the same time to review them. And I do have like 2 other mascaras that are open right now, so that's kind of stressful for me. But anyways, this is what the mascara looks like. It says LA Girl Jet Setter Mascara, Lash and Go, and it has a before and after picture, and it looks like a big difference, so we will see. I will have to try it out and see if I notice a big difference. I mean, if this person has small lashes and then it looks like that, I should have bigger lashes, right? So anyways, I'm super excited to try this out, and they sent me the shade Black. So let me open it really quick and show you guys. I don't want this video to be super long either because it's only like 2 little boxes. This is what the mascara looks like. It's super pretty and it feels heavy. I really like the packaging. It has pink, purple, and black, I believe. So thank you so much to BzzAgent for sending me these products. I'm super excited to try them out. Anyways, if you guys haven't signed up to BzzAgent, it is completely free, and they also send you free stuff to review like Influencer. I will have BzzAgent linked in the description box so you guys could go sign up. And yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.